Hi guys, it's Cassandra and I just got checked into my room here at the Riu Palace Bávaro, and this is a junior suite tropical view and I am really excited to show you guys around. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started in the entryway. The first thing I want to point out is that there are these slots here that you have to put some kind of card in that's going to turn on your electricity. If you don't have anything in that slot, your lights are not going to turn on. So first we come to the toilet closet. This is actually a really nice feature because especially if you have multiple people sharing a room, one person can use the bathroom while the other people are showering or getting ready for the day or whatever you need to do. Then you come into here. This is the nice bathroom. It's very pretty in here, kind of calming decor. And then have this massive shower here. Yes. And then they do have the shampoo and shower gel and conditioner for you. So if you forget yours or you just don't want to pack it, then you are more than welcome to use the ones that are here. All right. Hello. Next in the hallway, we have closet space. Super soft robes. There's an ironing board. Extra linens up top. And then this is also where you're gonna find your iron and your safe. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. And then here we come to the beautiful room. Especially nice if you have a family traveling with you. It's just me today, so I guess one bed will be for my luggage. Over here we have our mini bar and our coffee station. So in the mornings, you don't have to go to the buffet. You can just make your own coffee right here if you want to. And then you also have use of this if you would like to. And then of course, down here in the mini bar, you have all the things that you might want to drink or mix those liquors with. Plenty of water. There's some Presidente beer. That's what all that is. And then Pepsi, Red Rock orange soda, 7-Up, carbonated water, and regular bottles of water. And those get restocked, I believe, daily. Over here you have a nice charging station, and the question that I get asked a lot is what kind of plugs do I need? As you can see, it's just the regular American plugs, and USB or C charging cables will work also. You can use the remote on the TV. And of course, there's plenty of storage. I like to unpack my stuff almost as soon as I get in, after I make a video, of course. So I'll definitely be using that. Nice table. Room service is 24/7, and that's included in your package. You have a seating area, another mirror, hello. And then this is the tropical view balcony. My room is on a corner, so it's kind of a little bit awkward, but not too bad. You can kind of see other people's rooms. But there's 2 chairs out here, an ashtray if you need it, and then a view of the tropical stuff. A cool feature that I want to point out really quickly is that if you open the sliding door to the patio, the air conditioning shuts off. When you close it, it comes right back on. So if you're in your room and you're wondering why it's so hot, double check and make sure that your patio door is actually closed, because that could be the problem why it's not working. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick tour of the Junior Suite Tropical View room here at the Riu Palace Bávaro in the beautiful Dominican Republic. If you have any questions about this room specifically, or if you have any questions about the resort, go ahead and let me know. I'll be here for the next couple of days. And also make sure that you're following me on all of my social media channels, because I will be posting a lot about this resort and actually about 10 others over the coming weeks. So if you're interested in the Dominican Republic at all, make sure that you're following, because I will be sharing a ton of information on my pages. All right, thank you guys. And once again, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.